Welcome back to another exciting review on Tire Talk. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Chrysler 300C. This luxury sedan combines power, comfort, and a bold presence like no other. Chrysler has kept the iconic design alive while adding modern touches that make it stand out in today's market. In this review, we'll cover everything, from exterior styling, interior features, and performance to technology, safety, and practicality. So, let's start with the front design. Looking at the front, the 2025 Chrysler 300C maintains its classic, muscular stance. The bold grille with a chrome finish gives it a premium look, while the sharp LED headlights provide excellent visibility at night. The sculpted hood adds to its aggressive character, making a strong first impression. The lower bumper features a wide air intake, enhancing aerodynamics and cooling. The LED fog lights are positioned perfectly to assist in low visibility conditions. Overall, the front design is a perfect blend of luxury and muscle, staying true to the Chrysler 300C's legacy. Moving to the side, the 300C continues to impress with its long, elegant profile. The strong body lines flow smoothly from front to rear, giving it a dynamic look. The car sits on multi-spoke alloy wheels, which add to its premium feel. Depending on the trim, you can get 19-inch or 20-inch wheels. The body-colored door handles and aerodynamic side mirrors with integrated turn signals enhance its sleekness. The roofline slopes gently towards the rear, maintaining a luxury sedan silhouette. Now, let's check out the rear. The LED taillights have a sleek and modern design, stretching across the trunk lid for a futuristic look. The dual exhaust tips and a subtle rear spoiler hint at the powerful performance hidden under the hood. The Chrysler emblem sits proudly in the center, reminding us of the brand's rich heritage. The trunk is spacious, making it practical for long trips or daily use. Stepping inside, you are greeted with a high-end, tech-rich cabin. The interior of the 2025 Chrysler 300C is all about comfort and luxury. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with heating and cooling functions, ensuring a comfortable ride in all weather condition. The dashboard is a mix of soft-touch materials, wood, and metallic trims, giving it a modern yet classic feel. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and comes with multi-functional controls for easy access to various features. In the center, we have a large touchscreen infotainment system, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel displays real-time driving information in a stylish and futuristic manner. The center console houses the gear selector, wireless charging pad, and multiple USB-C ports for seamless connectivity. Chrysler has also added ambient lighting, enhancing the premium experience inside the cabin. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Chrysler 300C is powered by a 5.7L HEMI V8 engine, producing around 400 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. This means strong acceleration and smooth highway cruising. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, making every drive effortless. On the road, the Chrysler 300C feels planted and stable. The suspension setup ensures a smooth ride, absorbing bumps with ease. Despite being a luxury sedan, it has a sporty character, making it fun to drive on highways and city roads. For a V8-powered sedan, the Chrysler 300C offers decent fuel economy. On highways, it delivers around 22 mpg, while in the city, it gives 15 to 17 mpg. If fuel efficiency is a concern, a V6 variant is also available with improved mileage. The trunk space is quite generous, making it practical for long trips. The rear seats can also fold down, adding extra cargo capacity when needed. So, should you buy the 2025 Chrysler 300C? If you're looking for a powerful, luxurious, and stylish full-size sedan with a commanding presence, this car is a fantastic choice. Overall, the 2025 Chrysler 300C is a perfect blend of classic American muscle and modern luxury. If you love bold styling, premium comfort, and strong performance, this car is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Chrysler 300C. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tire Talk for more car reviews. See you in the next video.